Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how Kraken makes money. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. So, how does Kraken make money? Well, there are a few different ways. First, Kraken makes money from transaction fees. When you buy or sell a cryptocurrency on Kraken, you're charged a small fee. This fee is typically a percentage of the value of the transaction. Second, Kraken makes money from interest on margin accounts. Kraken offers margin trading, which allows you to borrow money to buy cryptocurrencies. Kraken charges interest on these loans. Third, Kraken makes money from lending its cryptocurrencies to other users. Kraken allows users to lend their cryptocurrencies to other users who need them for margin trading or other purposes. Kraken charges interest on these loans as well. Fourth, Kraken makes money from staking. Kraken offers staking for certain cryptocurrencies. Staking is a process by which you can earn rewards for holding onto your cryptocurrencies. Kraken charges a fee for staking. Fifth, Kraken makes money from its venture capital arm. Kraken Ventures is a venture capital firm that invests in early-stage cryptocurrency startups. Kraken makes money from the profits it earns on these investments. Overall, Kraken makes money from a variety of sources, including transaction fees, interest on margin accounts, lending its cryptocurrencies to other users, staking, and its venture capital arm. Kraken is a profitable company that makes money from a variety of sources. It's one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. If you're looking for a safe and reliable place to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies, Kraken is a good option. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency and other topics. Here are some additional points to consider. Kraken is a regulated exchange, which means that it is subject to oversight by the government. This helps to ensure that Kraken is operating in a safe and fair manner. Kraken is a secure exchange, which means that your funds are safe and secure. Kraken uses a variety of security measures to protect your account, including two-factor authentication and cold storage. Kraken is a popular exchange, which means that it has a large and active community of users. This can be helpful if you need help or support. Overall, Kraken is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a safe, reliable, and popular cryptocurrency exchange.